And you follow Alabama, loading the patient. University of Alabama Medical Center, life flight. Loading a child that was victim of a gunshot wound this morning. And they'll be firing it up and transporting back to Birmingham from Eufaula, Alabama. We'll get to take off on the next video. It's going to be a slight downwind departure, Cessna Citation, Eufaula, Alabama. Going back direct Birmingham, Alabama. Says it'll take them about 29 minutes. Departing runway 36. I'll ease over here towards the runway a little closer and hope he doesn't blow a tire. That would be disastrous for me and him. A little turnaround down at the end, and said he's going to attempt a full power takeoff, then release the brakes. Static takeoff, I believe is what they call that. And hopefully, I'm guessing, he said about 2,500 feet of ground roll. And I'm right about 2,500 feet, so we'll see how this works out. Lined up on the center line. Power's coming up. Brake release, and here we go.